Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting and valuable topic to dive into. We're going to discuss a strategic and engaging approach that can significantly boost your business reach, leveraging communities on platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, and Slack to book more meetings. There are other pros to communities as well, including establishing brand identity and positioning yourself as a prominent thought leader within your industry. Let's get started. In the realm of successful business strategies, the power of connection building plays a vital part. But one valuable component often overlooked by businesses when strategizing for growth, the potential held within online communities. According to Forbes, building a community around your brand is critically important, a way of fostering trust, increasing customer engagement, and improving the overall success of your brand. Using online communities to boost brand visibility and forge a plethora of new meetings with potential prospects can be incredibly effective. But it's not just about generating leads. It's about engaging in meaningful conversations that provide value to both you and your community members. One thing to note, communities aren't cold calls or cold emails. They work differently. It's less about buy my services and more about inspiring, challenging, and feeding the hungry members just waiting to learn and grow. If you've leveraged online communities to engage with potential prospects before, drop a comment below sharing your best strategies. Your experience could be the golden nugget of insight that others need to transform their community engagement strategy. Now, you may be wondering, how can one effectively engage with these online communities? First, it's crucial to identify the platforms most relevant to your target audience. It could be LinkedIn, the hub for professionals worldwide, Reddit, known for its wide-ranging and diverse demographic, or Slack, where more focused industry-specific conversations occur. Important thing to remember is that it's not about casting the widest net, but rather the most appropriate one. Understand the norms, conversation style, and topics that resonate most with the chosen audience before diving in. The aim isn't just another company promoting their services, but a valuable contributor offering insight and provoking meaningful discussions. And while we're on the topic of providing value, here's a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss our future videos packed with actionable strategies and tips to elevate your business. And if you didn't see our last video on how to bring in more meetings using videos, be sure to check it out. Community engagement not only helps to book more meetings, but it also plays a significant role in crafting positive customer experiences. According to Convince and Convert, customer experience is a key differentiator for businesses today. When you engage with communities, it's your chance to improve these experiences and position your brand as an authority in your field. So what's the best way to accomplish this? Be proactive in providing valuable insights, answering questions, and sharing relevant industry news or research. Over time, you'll not only build credibility, but also organically open the door to more meetings with genuinely interested community members. Remember, there might be tons of prospects who will be clients of yours in the future. They're just slowly collecting information, opinions, and inspiration from you to win them over. And they might reach out to you after 3, 6, 9, maybe even 12 months. The results from communities are not always fast-paced, and more often than not are actually more of an investment. As we wrap up, remember that communities aren't a quick fix. They're a long-term strategy requiring effort, genuine engagement, and patience. But the potential rewards from booking more meetings to heighten brand awareness and industry leadership make it an investment worth considering. Let me leave you with a few helpful metrics to prove my point today. 77% of Americans own a smartphone. 97% of online adults regularly visit social networks. 66% of brand communities build relationships, and 85% of marketers believe in communities. All this goes to show that this is a business well that won't run dry anytime soon. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more strategies on improving your business networking. Until next time, keep those connections growing and thriving. Stay engaged.